This is 2025. Abeg, once in a while, allow that stew to rest. Make this yummy curry sauce.
Welcome to your corner where we celebrate. Good bass and strings harmonizing our faith. Drum beats vibrating hearts.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yosi and this is my corner. If this is your first time coming across this channel, I am saying welcome. Please do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we roll here. Una own no go spoil. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I pray that this year brings all the goodness, all the yumminess into your lives. Amen. Thank you for the constant show of love, supporting my channel, taking me from glory to glory. In fact, you guys, now they bust my head. Now they bust my head. Today's sauce is a very simple coconut curry sauce. The first thing you do is wash your protein. For this sauce, I use chicken. You spice it up. Any spice of your choice, any herbs of your choice, feel free to use it. Okay, I went in with some chicken bouillon powder, my not chicken seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, some parsley, some mixed herbs. After that simmered in the chicken for some minutes, I went in with my roughly blended tatashe and scotch bonnet pepper, and here I was just stirring, like mixing it. One good thing about this sauce, it is very easy to make, very quick to make. I think I prepared mine in less than 40 minutes. Yes, it was ready in about 40 minutes. This is a very healthy alternative to our normal regular stews. Once your protein boils for some minutes, you go in with the star of the show, the coconut milk. Guys, you can use the store-bought coconut milk, but I prefer to use the homemade coconut milk. You want to give that a good stir. Stir it properly. Make sure every chicken piece is coated in that milk. Then you cover your pot and allow your chicken to get cooked in that coconut goodness. You all will agree with me that this sauce looks so delicious, and I promise you it tasted amazing. E enter your eyes, abi? I know say this sauce enter your eyes. Please, please, please try to recreate some of these recipes sometimes for your family and for yourselves, okay? Thank you very much for the love. Thank you for liking this video. Please, please, please do not forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly share this video, drop a comment. Let me know if this is something you are willing to try. Until I see you all in my next video. Bye.